Namaste. This is the subject of pharmaceutical analysis, and today we will study about theory of acid base indicator. We have studied about the indicators, different acid and base indicator, the properties of indicator, and what is the end point, how indicator is important, why indicator is important. We have already studied this in previous lecture. So now let's see the theory of acid base indicator. So first is Ostwald theory, next is quinoid theory. So in Ostwald theory, the color change as an indicator is due to its ionization. The unionized form of indicator has different color than its ionized form. So common ion effect it gives. Actually, Ostwald theory is given by a scientist whose name is Ostwald, and you can see here its description about the. It is a German chemist who got Nobel Prize in 1909 and also work as catalysis, chemical equilibrium, and chemical kinetic. Okay. The word mole is also suggested by the Ostwald. So, common ion effect. If an indicator is a weak acid, its ionization would be very much low in acid due to common H positive ion, while it is fairly ionized in alkalis. In the same way, if indicator is a weak base, its ionization is large in acid and low in In the same way, if the indicator is a weak base, its ionization is large in acid and low in alkalis due to common OH ions. Next, phenolphthalein indicator represent as HPH. So the short form of phenolphthalein indicator is HPH is a weak acid. Second, its dissociated form is colorless. Third, ionized is pH ion from pink color. It is a weak acid. Its ionization would be very much low in acids due to common H positive ion, while it is fairly ionized in alkali. Methyl orange indicator. This is the reaction you can see of phenolphthalein. Okay, these all indicator we will use in our practical. Next is methyl orange indicator represent as MEOH. It is a weak base, undissociated form yellow color. Ionized Me ion form red color. It is a weak base. Its ionization is large in acid and low in alkalis due to common OH ion. Next is the quinoid theory. In this, according to the quinoid theory, an acid-base indicator exists in two forms. One form is termed as benzoid form and other is quinoid form. The two forms have different color. The color changes due to the conversion of one form into other. One form mainly exists in acidic medium and the other in the alkyl medium. Next is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein as benzoid form in acidic medium and thus it is colorless, while it has quinoids form in alkali medium which has pink color. Next is methyl orange has quinoid form in acidic solution and benzonoid form in alkali solution. The color of benzonoid form is yellow while that of quinoid form is red. So the end point referred to the point at which the indicator changed color in an acid-base titration. So here we have seen many indicators and the properties of different indicator, about their color form, about their type. Hope you will understand this. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.